Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to remove daily time limit on Instagram. Let's get started. Open Instagram first on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on your activity. Scroll down. Tap on time spent. Tap on daily limit at the bottom. Now to disable the time limit, tap on the off icon. And that is how to remove daily time limit on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.